Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the AC and DC, differences of AC and DC. Today we will discuss about the disadvantage of DC over AC. नुकसान AC के बेटा क्या डिसएडवांटेज हैं? तो नंबर 1, it is more dangerous than DC. AC is more dangerous. Second, AC cannot be used in lab experiments like electrolysis. इट मीन्स AC को हम लोग लैब में इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस प्रोसेस के लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ द क्वेश्चन राइज, व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ AC एंड DC? सो AC कैन बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय AC जनरेटर एंड दिस AC is used in our household work, while DC is produced by voltaic cell, dry cell, solar cell and DC generator. And we know that DC is that voltaic cell or dry cell we will use in our remote toy car and so many other toys. Do you know that one? Now the difference between the AC and DC, that is by the bar, that is the graph. In AC you have seen here that positive negative, it means direction get changed at every half rotation. That is the definition of AC. AC means alternate. At every 1/100th of a second direction get changed. While in case of DC you can see here positive remain positive and negative remain negative. There is no change in direction. That's why it is called direct current. Now we will discuss about the electric generator. जनरेटर नाम सुनते ही बेटा आपके दिमाग में आ गया होगा एक आवाज़ करती हुई मशीन जिससे हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती है. सो ए डिवाइस विच कन्वर्ट मैकेनिकल एनर्जी मीन्स काइनेटिक इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर. ये वो डिवाइस है जो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करता है. नाउ द प्रिंसिपल मीन्स किस प्रिंसिपल पे काम करता है? इट वर्क्स ऑन EMI, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. व्हाट इज दैट वन? व्हेन द कॉइल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर रोटेट इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड देन इंड्यूस्ड करंट गेट प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द सर्किट. इन केस ऑफ EMI हमने यही पढ़ाया था. When we rotate a coil in the magnetic field, induced current get produced, and on the same principle, electric generator works. Now, the type of electric generator. Electric generator are of two types. AC generator, it produces AC. DC generator, it produces DC. Because we have two type of electric current, alternate current and direct current. Now AC generator. The construction of AC generator, the main parts are first armature coil, ABCD, that is name given to armature coil. A coil consists of large number of turns of insulated copper wire. Because armature coil is always form of insulated copper wire with number of turns. Same armature coil you will observe in DC generator and same armature coil you have observed in motor also. Strong magnet. A strong magnet is used to produce magnetic field. Slip rings. यहाँ ध्यान से देखना, it is slip, SLIP, slip rings. The armature coil is connected with two brass. It is made up of brass. Slip rings R1, R2. These rings rotate along with coil. These rings rotate along with armature coil. Now brush. Two carbon brush B1, B2 are attached with slip rings. These brush are connected with external circuit. Is it clear? You can see here there are two. These two are the strong magnet with north and south pole. In the middle of these two magnets, you can see here A, B, C, D, that is armature coil. This is armature coil, and these two are the slip rings. You can see here, these two are the slip rings. Clear? Then these two are the carbon brush. P1, B2 are the carbon brush, and it is the external source, that is bulb. You can see here. Clear? Now we will discuss about the working of generator. When the coil ABCD rotate in strong magnetic field, it cuts magnetic field lines. These magnetic field lines arise from north and south pole. The change in magnetic field lines produce induced current in the circuit or in the coil, which pass through rings to the brush, and these current will move out to the external source. Clear? That this current pass through brush B1 in one direction in first half rotation and through B2 in second half rotation. It means direction of current get changed in every half rotation. First it passes through brush B1, second time it passes through B2. That's why we can say here alternate current, because at every half rotation direction get changed. That's why it is called alternate current. You can see here, these are the two rings and two brushes that are connected with the rings. Now we will discuss about the DC generator. In DC generator, all the parts are same, only slip rings is replaced by split rings. It means split S-P-L-I-T, split ring is used in place of slip rings. You can see here in the diagram of DC generator, same north and south pole is there, same armature coil is there, but there are two half rings, R1, R2. These rings are known as split, S-P-L-I-T, split rings. Two brush and external source, that is bulb. In DC generator, current flows in same direction because one brush is always in contact with the arm of